Hi everyone! Let's make you fluffy pancakes. First things first, in a clean bowl, add 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 1/4 all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of buttermilk. If you don't have a buttermilk, you can use a whole milk. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then beat it into a smooth batter. Okay, done. And then set aside. Next, in a clean non-sticky pan, put a little bit of oil and spread it using a paper towel. If you have brush, you can use brush. Then pour a tablespoon of batter into the hot pan and wait until the bubbles forms on the surface. And once they start popping, flip the pancake over and cook until both sides are golden. What is important here is to lower the heat if the pancakes darkens too fast till the bubbles form. Repeat until the water is used up. Okay, these are my pancakes. As you see, it's so easy to make fluffy pancakes at home. They are ready in minutes. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Let's eat. Bye-bye.